everybody, and welcome to my channel. It is time for the Walgreens ad preview for April 15th through April 21st. It's a slow week, but hey, there might be some great deals that we can stock up on, and I'm here to share with you guys. Now, usually when they have it as a slow week, they usually do the 5 times everyday points. So instead of getting like $1 per every dollar or something like that, you get 5 times. So it's not very much, but hey, it can get you guys a little extra points if you want it. But there's that. They do have the Arm & Hammer going to be on sale for $1.99. Now, I'm not sure if we have any coupons for that, but $1.99 could be an okay price. Here we have the nice brand, which is Walgreens, for $4.99. It looks like there's going to be a $1 off coupon. Otherwise, it could be a coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. I'm not sure. But you can get that for $3.99, which could be an okay deal. The M&Ms are going to be on sale for 2 for $3, just the smaller bags. Which it could be a good price if you guys want to try that. I did look up some deals for the food, but there's not much going on. I think there might be a coupon for the Honey Bunches of Oats on the grocery network, but I am not sure on that. I didn't even check. But not a lot of food deals. Mentos gum is buy one, get one free. Orbit gum, 89 cents. They got the Hershey's Cookie Layer Crunch. Now, those coupons we just got in the 4/8 Smart Source for $1. So you guys could get 2 of them. Use 2 coupons. You guys could get them for just $2 a piece or $4 for both of them, which could be an okay deal if you guys are really into candy all of a sudden. Yeah. Here they have the Tide Pods and the Gain Pods for $4.99. We just did get those $3 off coupons that are in the April P&G. Now, those are very limited coupons, so not everybody has it. But there might be an online coupon for it, a digital coupon for $3 off, since it does say online. So if you guys want to do that. I know we had some Bic coupons for the stationery that popped up, but I can't remember when it ends. But those are buy one, get one 50% off. If you guys need some more office supplies. Here we got, if you buy purchase of 2 vanilla visas. Okay. So if you buy any of these gift cards, you'll end up getting a $5 gift card. Now, I guess I would do Netflix because I've been a Netflix subscriber for about 12 years now. Yeah, 12 years now. And I guess I should do that if I ever wanted to do something. I don't know. Here they got a lot of medication. It's a lot of it's buy one, vitamins, medication. Buy one, get one 50% off. I do know there are some deals with the Ibotta and the Walgreens children's medicine. So there could be some good deals with that. Otherwise, not a lot of stuff is really popping out at me. I do know we're getting some Playtex coupons, but they're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We're going to get some coupons. Plus, if you guys buy 2, you get 3,000 points. So that could be a deal if you guys really enjoy those products. Here's I think is a pretty decent deal. The Crest is $2.99. We are getting $1 off coupons or for those. So you guys can get the toothpaste, the mouthwash, and the toothbrushes for $1.99. You guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys would end up paying $7.96 for all 4 of them. But then you guys will end up getting a $6 register reward, making it just $1.96 or 49 cents a piece. Now, that is a deal you guys can pay with points, and you guys will get your register reward. So I'm probably going to do that deal. I'm hoping to do that deal. Here we got some hair accessories for 99 cents. I really like those deals. They got some Venus razors, Gillette deodorant and Secret deodorant. Buy one, get one 50% off. If you spend $20, you get 5,000 points. So could be some deals. Dove deodorant, Degree, Axe. Buy one, get one 50% off. If you spend $15, you get 3,000 points. Here we got the Arm & Hammer deodorant, just 99 cents. If you guys really enjoy that deal, that is a great deal. Olay right here is 20% off. We have $2 off online coupons. Plus, if you guys buy 2, you get a $10 register reward. I'm not sure what's all included in that. I am going to try to check out that deal, and maybe we can get some decent deals. They got Pond's Simple and Vaseline for buy one, get one 50% off. If you guys buy 2, you get 2,000 points, so that could be a pretty okay deal. They got the Walgreens body wash. I think it's $3.99 at Walgreens or $2.99. I can't remember, but it's buy one get one 50% off. Might have to buy one and try it out. And then, yeah, we're already on the last page already. It's a very small ad. But here they got the Puffs and the Dawn. Now, it does say there's going to be a 25-cent online coupon, but we do have those 50-cent off coupons in the April P&G. So that could be a good deal. You can get that for just 49 cents. Here they got the Revlon makeup. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then if you buy two, you get 3,000 points. And we just got a ton of those coupons. So definitely check out that. If you guys are interested, you guys can hopefully get some good freebies or great deals on makeup. Here's some good filler items: Kit Kat bars, Hershey's, Haribo, Milka. Now we do have 55% off coupons for the Oreo cookies, so we can use those. Plus, I think we got $1 off of 2 of the Hershey Golds, so we might be able to use that coupon too. So there's some great coupons with the candy. Here we got Kashi and the Special K for buy one get one free. Now I'm going to try to find a coupon for that because right now they have the free water bottle, which I actually got. I got 2 of them, and there's a limit of 3 that you guys can get. And then they also now have a deal with lip balm, so definitely want to try to do the lip balm because it's free. Why not? But if you guys enjoyed this small little chit chat video of the Walgreens ad, please give this video a thumbs up. I like to share with you guys some deals that are coming up, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.